Good morning, guys. It's Ricardo with the Ricks Group. I'm here for another video with you guys. I have this 52 right here. Old trusty. And we just bought a mulch kit maybe a few weeks ago. Not the tape. Bought a mulch kit a few weeks ago. Haven't had time to install it. It's gonna be a rain out for today. Came to the shop, decided to come clean up some stuff, organize some stuff. Look at this bench, look how dirty it is. I gotta clean this up. Gotta go to Howard Brothers to get a filter for that thing, for those shears. Just a little bit, just some tidying up. That's all that needs to be done. So, but I wanna show you guys the mulch kit. I wanna show the process. Even if I'm not talking all that much, this is one part of it. Not, the mulch kit itself goes underneath the machine, on the deck, but on the bottom. So to get to it, I'm going to use my jungle jack, or whatever it's called. I think it's a jungle jack, yeah. I'm going to be using my jungle jack as soon as this thing focuses. Yep, there it is, jungle jack. If any of you guys want to go buy one, I don't know how many people that watch these videos that actually have a landscape company of their own. I hope there's at least one. Yeah, but you just put the jungle jack underneath the machine. There's a hook on it. Put it underneath the deck, and then put your foot here. Lift the bad boy. As you can see, that's pretty easily done. Did it with one hand. The jungle jack is just meant for you to be able to change blades and do everything solo. I'll probably end up moving the jungle jack over to one of the sides because I believe I'm going to be using, or I believe I'm going to be in the middle of the machine for a fair amount of time. So I think the jungle jack is going to be in the way. But that's just to show you guys how I mount it. But yeah, let me get started. Let me get this mulch kit out and start installing. I don't think it'll take too long. I've never done it, but from what I saw in the box, it's the plate for the side that doesn't let the leaves come out. And then there's like a few pieces inside that attach to the actual frame and the deck underneath. So shouldn't be complicated at all. Probably a few screws and I'm out. That's it. But yeah, follow along. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you what this whole kit comes with. I'm gonna show you guys just exactly what came in the box. I just opened the box. I took everything out. So it's 1, 2, 3 pieces over there. So it's 3 pieces. And then the blades came with it, which I actually didn't know that, but that's cool. So right now I'm gonna start by taking the blades off. So I don't, cut myself with sharp blades or anything. Make it easier to actually screw these 2 pieces on. And then the plate goes on afterwards. And last but not least, definitely not least, put the new blades on and call it a day. So let me show you guys. Don't go anywhere. I'll take the first blade out, grab my impact, make sure it's set on reverse, put the screw on there, give it a few taps first, that thing should come out. No big deal. Nothing new here, not reinventing the wheel or anything, just getting it done. And then these blades, the old blades that I have, I save them. If they're still good, I'll just sharpen them. And then I'll tell my crew members or my other guys, I say, and leave some blades there if you need them. But if they're not good, I gotta recycle them. Not a bad gig. Again, a few taps. Comes out. I don't like to go just full on because I feel like you can strip the bolt. So give it a few taps and then it should come out fine. screws stay here. Blades get put away. The blades are still good. The blades are intact. They just need a little sharpening. They're ready to go. Got the last one here. Few taps. Comes out like a dream. All it needs is a sharpening. Alright, so I got the old blades out. Now I'm gonna get started on the actual mulching kit and then the plate. So we'll be right back. Hey guys, I've probably been at it for about 20 minutes. Put the plate on. One critical thing about the plate is when you're installing it, do not tighten these all the way. Do not. Leave a little bit of space so you can unscrew them by hand, because they do go in through this side. If I can get the angle, hopefully. They do go inside up here. There's a screw right there that connects to the plate. I'm trying to see if you guys can see it or not. Hope you guys can see it. It's that screw right there. That's one of them. And then it's got another screw right here. That's two. It's got another screw up here. That, let's see if I can find that one with the camera. It's over here somewhere. It's right there. Get my light on it. That's three. And then four right there. Connects over here to this side. So I finished half of it. Now I just gotta finish installing that one over there. It's gonna go on that side and call it a day. At least with the machine anyway. Yeah, so let me go ahead and continue, guys, and then I'll show you when I'm done. Hey guys, I got that installed. I ended up going back to the office to get some work done on the computer after I was done. But I just wanted to show you guys the end result. So here it is. So yeah guys, first thing I started with was with the actual plate. Like I said before, if you do the plate first, just make sure not to screw in those bolts all the way in. It really does help when you're doing the rest of it. So you leave those a little bit loose so that it gives you enough time, or not enough time. So yeah, when you do the plate first, just make sure those screws are not screwed on like tightly, because it's gonna give you some play to get the rest of it done, because you're gonna need some space for the rest of the pieces. You need a little bit more space to like align it perfectly with the holes, and if you have it tightened up from the beginning, you're just not gonna get that. So leave them a little bit loose. So yeah, this is the new blade. I've never used these blades. I've always been used to straight blades or gator blades. Gator blades kind of look. Oh, right here. This is a gator blade right there. We call them gators because of these teeth. They kind of look like gator skin, I guess. A lot of people call them that. So let's see the bottom. I'm trying to show you guys. I'm not sure if you can actually see. Oh yeah, you can see it. So that's the mulch kit installed. The piece on the left side had 3 holes, 3 screws. The piece on the right had about like 5 or 6 screws. All in all, probably took me like an hour and a half after I just read the instructions and went over everything correctly. I had the I had the machine already lifted on the jungle jack, so I went ahead and replaced the deck tire just because it was all old and worn out. So I decided to just go ahead and fix that. Other than that, this machine is ready to go. This was pretty fun. First time I ever did a mulching kit on any of my 52s. So that was pretty fun and entertaining for me. And I got to see how it actually goes on and goes down. So now if I ever buy another mulching kit for another one of my machines, it'll take me less time and I know exactly where to go to with everything. So yeah, pretty fun. I hope all you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. I'm always looking to answer some questions for anybody, whether you're a landscaper and you do things a certain way and you just want to share some ideas, or if you're a residential homeowner and hey, the grass has to get cut, maybe you do it yourself and you have some questions, I'm always looking to answer. The mulching kit itself, a lot of people have asked me, hey, what's the mulching kit for? The mulching kit is actually for exactly that, mulching. Why do you put on a mulching kit? Why don't you just put a plate on it and just seal it up? The plate is half the job because the plate doesn't let the grass escape from the outlet. But if you had the entire mulching kit including the plate, the mulching kit doesn't allow for the blades or the grass to kind of like leave its like little designated area, and it keeps it there, mulches it longer, and then on the back end, the plate, it's capped off, so the grass really can't escape. So it's like the perfect kit. We really needed it right now, especially right now with the leaves. We've been doing a lot of mulching. You can do it with anything. I mean, I've seen people that on this end they'll attach a piece of cardboard or like a sign that they found on the road. They'll just grab it, bungee it from this hook right here, wrap it around there, and put it right there. So I mean, there's plenty of ways, improvisation. I get it, get it how you live. But if you have the time, just go ahead and do the mulching kit. I feel like it's gonna save you guys a lot of time. Now in the summertime, I don't know if I'll take it off. I'm still debating it. Mulching kits in the summer, they are useful for the grass. That way you don't have to blow as much. But I don't know. I feel like in growing season the grass grows too quick, and you're gonna have too much clumped up. It's gonna slow you down, and then you have to worry if maybe one of your guys doesn't blow it. It's gonna look bad. I don't know. I really don't know how I feel about it. But I mean, I'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Just in the meantime, I probably will leave it on, and then if I see it's becoming a problem, I'll just take it off. But we'll see. We'll definitely see. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. I have. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something. Like I said, if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments. I'm always available to answer anybody's question. It's the leaf season right now, so leaves are the big deal right now. We just bought another blower. One of our 800s went down, which I've said before in a video. 800s are complete trash. Stay away from still 800s. I don't care how good of a deal you think you're getting. Still always wins on the back end, especially with these blowers. They're absolute just trash. We just bought our third Echo 9010T, I think that's what it is, 9010T, strongest blower on the market, and has definitely lived up to that reputation with the two that we have, and we just bought the third. So great investment. I know we're making a good investment there, so can't wait to completely rock the house with those. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.